Hey, why are they not toning it?
Your home is still hot. Emissions administration recommends.
Bro, why are they not toning the SVA? I don't get it.
The temperature was 92 degrees and the dew point 71.
They just issued it.
60%, producing a heat index of
Damn.
wind was 3.7 miles an hour. The temperature was 29.9 degrees and falling. The report from the Bronx Botanical Gardens was not available. Elsewhere in the metropolitan area, it was mostly sunny. It was 95 at LaGuardia Airport, 91 at Kennedy, 90
Come on, can you tone the SVA already?
Across Long Island, skies ranged from sunny to mostly sunny, and temperatures were between 84 and 89 degrees.
Toning at 145? Alright. We got 30 seconds. Alright. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is on KZZ31. Is the EAS10 gonna go off? Wow, it didn't. That's surprising. You didn't go off.
4-2, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield.
Wow, you
And
failed.
the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Huntington,
I'm disappointed
Middlesex,
on you.
Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex.
Alright, it got towed.
And the following counties in Bronx, Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Wayne, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, Suffolk, and Westchester. And the following marine locations: Long Island Sound, west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore Bay,
WXM60?
to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Fire Island Inlet, New York to Moriches Inlet, New York, down 20 nautical miles.
WXM39?
Nautical, the weather radio, commercial demand.
Not even WXM39.
Remember, a severe thunderstorm warning evacuations are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in New York close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapid warnings and weather conditions and listen to the following counseling possible warnings.
Pennsylvania,
Stay
Monroe,
tuned to our weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I couldn't get WXM39.